Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best spiral point taps that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Spiral Point Taps. Spiral pointed taps were originated to solve the problem of tap breakage in through-hole tapping. The machine tap shoots chips ahead of the cutting action, thus reducing loading and clogging in the flutes. They are recommended for use in through or blind holes, which allow for chip accumulation in the bottom of the hole. Ideal for threading a wide variety of ductile materials. Number 5. Tuneway Nitride High-Speed Steel Spiral Pointed Tap. Performed well in tapping, quick with high accuracy. Spiral pointed design for simultaneous chip removal. Machinery where metric threads are specified. Main features: suitable machine and manual. Auto repair and machinery. Spiral pointed design. Number 4. YG1L7 Series Vanadium Alloy HSS Spiral Pointed Tap. Uncoated tools feature just the base substrate without any additional treatment and are suitable for a wide range of applications. Round shanks allow use. Main features: high-speed steel tools. Wide range of applications. Combination of hardness. Number 3. Union Butterfield 1534 Spiral Point Tap. Right-hand threads are designed to tighten when a head or nut is rotated clockwise. High-speed steel is a common general-purpose steel for cutting tools and is compatible. Main features: spiral point tap pushes. Cutting and tool wear. Relieved style design. Number 2. 28 Heavy-Duty Spiral Point Tap. Ideal for through-holes applications since spiral point quickly shears and ejects chips ahead of the tap. Recommended for use tappering brute lube fluid. Can also be used in handheld tap wrench. Main features: high-speed steel. Special neck design. Made in USA. Number 1. YG1 L7284L7 Series Vanadium Alloy HSS Spiral Pointed Tap. Uncoated tools feature just the base substrate. Round shanks allow use variety of tool holding systems. Main features: high-speed steel tools. Wide applications. Right-hand cut tools. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.